Hi, I'm Les and welcome to my ProfitHub review. So what is ProfitHub? Well, as the screen says, you get the world's #1 cloud hosting for unlimited websites and domains for a one-time record low fee. I don't know about you, but I actually pay a lot of money each month for hosting. Having said that, I run my own servers, but it can cost you anything from $3 to $100 a month easily to run a number of sites. Anyway, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and I will give you a quick run through of the control panel. I will show you some bonuses I've put together thanks to John Armstrong. And I'll tell you about some of the upsells. Now, most people have a website to either make money or to grow a new audience, and some of the bonuses I have are designed to allow you to grow your audience whether you want to make money at it or not. Okay, so we head straight down to the bonuses. Now the first one is Aurora Pro. This is a great little product by John and Partners that allows you to get traffic from Instagram and Pinterest, etc. A great way to grow your audience. The next bonus is 3 ways to get traffic to your gigs. Once again, traffic is the bane of all marketers. Any help that you can get in getting traffic to your website, the better. This gives you 3 different ways to get some traffic. The third bonus, giving away 40 high quality lead magnets to help you build your email list or your buyers list. These are products that you can give away or use them to collect people's email addresses, etc. The next one is access to Backlink Warrior. Now, if you're trying to rank your website on any of the search engines, backlinks are one of the main drivers of how your websites rank. So Backlink Warrior there, that's what it's designed to do, help you rank higher. And of course you get all the vendor bonuses if you buy through my link. So let's go back up and have a look and see what it is. By the way, the bonuses may expire by the time it hits 0, so don't waste time. Click on any of these yellow buttons, which will take you through to the sales page. Click on any of those buttons to purchase the product. They will take you through to Warrior Plus, their secure checkout, and you're on your way. Okay, so what is ProfitHub all about? Well, here you go. I'm reading. Probably should have put my glasses on for this, but never mind. It's the fastest, fully fledged online hosting solution. It's a network of multiple clustered servers. Comes with a panel better and more powerful than cPanel. That's debatable, but anyway. Get free SSL licenses and DDoS protection. You can create unlimited domains and unlimited subdomains. You can have automatic backups. You can edit your own DNS records with ease. If you know what you're doing, that's fine. If you don't, and you have to edit your records for any reason, it's easily done. And there's always, if you have to edit them, there's always training. WordPress services such as one-click setup, cloning, migration and backup. Got unlimited secure shell protocol, SSH connections to fully manage your account. You've got blazing fast loading images that triple your website speed. Real-time IP Reputation. Your built-in Honeypots to help prevent any sort of attack. You have one-time payment only, so you don't have a recurring cost every month. Comes complete with quality video tutorials and more. It's perfect for affiliates, e-com sellers, and even offline marketers. It's perfect for everyone that wants a website. It's 100% newbie-friendly, easy to use software. It's full commercial rights available. Offer these incredible services to your clients, make a bit of extra money there. And you can set unlimited cron jobs for websites and or apps. Once again, there's tutorials in the system for that. So the prices, now all of that you can get for $17. That's a one-time fee, so you're not paying that every month. That's $17 upfront, and you get lifetime access to the unlimited websites, etc. Now there are a few upsells. Each has its own benefits. You've got the ProfitHub Pro Edition for $37. It'll give you 10 times better results. It unleashes the very best features that not even Fortune 500 companies have. There's no restrictions on bandwidth, size or length of your pages. You can auto back up your sites and all your regular files. It includes a commercial license. You can host other people's sites and charge them a hefty fee for it. You get a developer's license, so you can sell ProfitHub websites for a massive profit. And you get unlimited everything. It's mobile friendly, so you can create, access, edit your sites, and even your whole hosting account from your phone or from a tablet. That's a great little thing to be able to do. You've built-in SEO optimized to get you additional organic traffic, and you have priority concierge support and in-depth personal training. All that for $37. There's a downsell of $27, but that is well worth just all the extra features. Upsell number 2 is the Enterprise Edition. It gives you a revolutionary way to get traffic, build your list and make affiliate sales. Potential 1K a day with no extra work. It gives you your very own autoresponder and SMT, all connected with one click. So you don't have your monthly fees for things like Aweber or GetResponse or SendMail or whatever. It can all run from within your control panel. There's multiple ways to effectively and easily monetize this traffic. It also gives you off-server cloud storage, so you're not paying a lot of money each month for things like Dropbox or whatever. You have an outsourcer's license, you can collaborate on your sites with others, and personal one-on-one coaching and support. Once again, it's $47 with a downsell of $37. The upsell 3 is Done For You Edition. Now that's $39, downsell $29. It lets you get done for you products and sales pages to automate $238 commissions. You have a license to sell software tools as your own and keep 100% of the profit. And each of those tools have been awarded Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. You have a done for you affiliate reviews that you can copy and paste into ProfitHub. And you're getting traffic conversions and sales all done for you. Sounds good to me for $39, or downsell $29. ProfitHub Reseller Edition, it's $97. You basically sell ProfitHub as if it was your own product, and you get to keep 100% of all the profits through the whole funnel. Then you've got the IMX bundle. Now this is all the tools you'll ever need up front to run a business. You get weekly updates on new products, training and coaching. You have access to their 5 top selling products, and you have access to all their future products for free, including all the OTOs, all the upsells. And that is $197 with a downsell of $97. So just come back to here for a tick. Just click any if you're interested. The front end they're all actually worth it. The front end is especially good. I mean, that's $17. For unlimited websites and subdomains, you can't go past that. So if you're viewing this on YouTube, click the link down below this video. That will take you through to my bonus page. Don't forget to buy it before that hits 0, otherwise you may miss out on some of the bonuses. So click on any of these yellow buttons. That will take you through to the sales page, which is here. This is actually a preview, so the buttons don't look quite right, but click any of these buttons and that'll take you through to Warrior Plus to get your product. All the bonuses will be delivered within inside Warrior Plus. So if you purchase a product, you'll go into your products or your purchases and you end up the screen like this, and down below, little blue button, it says Access Affiliate Bonuses. Okay, so for $17 you not only get unlimited domains and subdomains, you get access to Aurora Pro, you get the 3 ways to get traffic to your gigs, you got the 40 high quality lead magnets to help build your list, you get access to Backlink Warrior, that's only for the first 24 hours, and then of course you get all the vendor bonuses. So that's about it, except showing you through. This is the control panel. There is quite a bit in there, so I won't show you through it. I will get one of my associates to run you through this. They are very, very familiar with it, and it'll go a lot quicker. Okay, so don't forget, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the link below to purchase, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.
This is just one out of the 12,000 websites we're currently hosting on ProfitHub. Here's another one. And there are so many more that cover every topic, from Udemy lookalikes to video news to anything you want. With integrated SSL certificates, there are no limits to what you can do with ProfitHub. All you have to do is go to your login screen, fill out the login information, log in. From here, we can start adding email inboxes, domains. So let's take it step by step. Let's first add our new email. It's as simply as typing in your email address, profithub@apponline.cloud. We'll create a custom password for us, have it unlimited, and edit. Bam, done. We can add mailboxes, an email box, aliases, groups, anything we want, from emails, domains, FTP accounts, MySQL, as well as edit your own htaccess files and then go into Softaculous. First up, let's just add our first domain. Adding a domain is as easy as clicking on add and then simply typing your address. For example, let's just say it's profithub.com. We check it. We can select the PHP version depending on what we have available, and then simply click add, and done. From here, we can then give it a new SSL certificate if we click right here, and we can generate this certificate by clicking on generate all with Let's Encrypt. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to purchase any SSL certificates, you don't have to waste any more money. We do it all for you. From here, you just pick your alternative name, usually just profithub.com is enough, your email address, and then click generate, and it's done. Going back to our main dashboard, you can have full control over your account. So you can add new users as easy as adding them right here, selecting their own permissions. For example, if you want to sell ProfitHub features as a service, that's also possible, as you can edit anything they have access to, as well as locking certain domains. You can view logs, you can see recent visitors, and also set a 2FA authentication. But let's quickly install WordPress. So if we go to Softaculous, here we can see a bunch of different scripts we can automatically install onto our account. But let's go for WordPress. Installing WordPress is as easy as choosing the protocol, the domain you want, which is going to go with apponline.cloud, the directory, I'm just going to choose WP. Everything can stay the same. We can select our own theme, and then I'll just tell them to email the installation details to my email. We wait a couple of minutes, and done. We just have installed WordPress on our domain. So now if we go to it, there we go, and we also just received the email for it. If we go to it, we're going to see the WordPress we just installed with the theme we just selected. And we can do this with hundreds of other scripts Softaculous offers for you, with automated backups, access to real-time statistics, and your own file manager, as well as training videos from how to create your account to installing WordPress and using difficult scripts. ProfitHub has got you covered from all angles. There is really nothing that can limit you when you're using ProfitHub. So go ahead, make that purchase, take advantage of this unlimited offer, and I can't wait to see you inside.